to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is answering one of her viewers. Basically made a comment about Coco. And she's saying that she was unable to bring her with her because of the movements that she's on. She's on a different kind of movement. And to the place that she's staying, she was unable to bring the cat with her as she needed space enough to put her litter box. She's saying that sometimes, because the cat needs to go outside. The cat needs different. It's a responsibility basically. So it's like a child. You have to bring the child outside. You have to do this and that for the child. So it's a lot of responsibility. And she's not intended to take that responsibility right now. She had to give up Coco. There was no way around not giving her up. She's saying that the lady's saying that she don't like her anymore. She don't watch her anymore because she just gave up Coco, and nobody knows if Coco is unalive or is alive. So she's saying that the lady could go and rewatch all her other videos, or she could go and find other means for therapy if that's the case. But go ahead and catch what Marcia has to say. She's talking about her man also and how loving he is and what he's been doing for her and more. So we'll catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, you have to and must have yourselves a beautiful day.
Me feel work with you. Huh? Jealousy. Right, which part me sit down here, so. I only saw one black man, and he was right there, and him took up his suitcase and gone. I am the only black, Missy Writer, so. I'm surrounded, there is about 8 people over there, so. And they're having a meeting. Everybody have them laptop. Right over there, so. About 8 white men over there, so, with them laptop. And you have 2 men over there, so. Business man, so in jacket suit. You understand? So, and me must argue, Then who know? Then who knew, sake? Who did know that God was going to allow me to have this? And now catch one family yard and one cousin yard being miserable and unhappy. Me have my breakfast, me have my banana, me have my orange, me have my banana, me have my yogurt, me have my sachets in here, so I not even want. Me can go eat more stuff if I want to. See the man put out more things. Me can go for more yogurts and everything. Me can go for cereal over here, so. Me not show nothing. Because me make them when you show something and Google it. And that's what I made the mistake last time. You see when I finish? You see when I'm finishing about in the next 2-3 hours? I'm going to put on my shorts and one t-shirt. And my gun and my swimming pool. First I'm going to go on the exercise machine. Go up on the treadmill for about 30 minutes. And when I'm done, I'll cool off and put on a bathing suit. And I'm going into the swimming pool. The swimming pool is heated. You can't get nothing better than that. You can't get nothing better than that. You can't get nothing better than that. You cannot get anything better than that. And no Satan give me this. And no friend give me this. A Jesus Christ give it to me. No friends and nobody can come and say they're paying for me my money. That mistake won't happen again. No family. Whatever money my boyfriend give me, me spend it how me want to spend it. I'm big him up because he's very nice to me. Let's see how long that's going to last for. But he's very nice to me and treat me very well. Yes, that I must say. So big him up. Let me left this for later. You understand? So why should I worry? Remember, people, Cheap and Clean is open. I have quilts, I have sheets from all size, if you want all size. Remember, twin and full. And trust me, not because you hear me last night. He's a very loving person, but he is nobody to fuck with. Me not lie. Me can't joke with him, but he ain't no punk. So not because you don't hear me, I tell him to do this and do that. He will do anything I tell him to do. But him is nobody to fuck with. Me not lie. Him is nobody to play with. But joking with him, like me would joke with him and say certain things, he will go on with it. But him is a serious man. Very, very serious. Very, very serious. But he will make me get to it without he will make me get to it without only boss him around. And when me say boss him around, like, if me tell him, say, listen, get up, go give me a kiss, I get up, go give me, he will do that. But trust me, him is nobody to play with. But he will make me go out with foolishness, because he's a loving person. But I believe, say, my punk, because you hear me, I tell him, say, get up, go give me a kiss, and get up, go give me that, and whatever. He will do it, but trust me, him is nobody to be fucked with. Hey, I tell you, if me ever catch some of them a boy there, we are talk about me, wouldn't see what God in our serve. If you never know him pissed off, him is nobody to play with. Yard or broad. Me tell you, said, me not chat to no punk ass man if he can't defend me. For 2024 and beyond. Whether them are Christian or a Christian not, they must defend me. If a man can't defend me and take up for me, me don't want them. If they can't defend me and take up for me, me don't want them. I gave away cocoa. I saw somebody wrote a statement the other day on my page. The person said how, I think she said, what she said, me don't like you no more and me not watch no more because you're not good. You just give up Coco like say Coco is nobody. Maybe Coco is even dead now. We don't even know where Coco is. That is to show you all these hypocrite people watching me. That's what the woman say no. How me no, me like she want to say, me heartless. Me just give up Coco like that. And me heartless, but don't even know if Coco dead or alive. Lady, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You believe say because me raise a puss, a animal was supposed to out a door run up and down. Out a door. Animal make to go in the jungle and in the bush and outside. They're outside creatures. They're not supposed to be inside no house. I want to take them and I put them in a clothes and diaper and stroller. They're made for outside. They're a part of tigers and all these type of things and all these different animals. Anybody out there want to crazy about animal, that's phone business. You can't talk about me and Coco when me a girl who never have an animal before like that and me have Coco lie down in my bed. Coco have all the house for himself. And me go a Petco, go buy Coco food. I was spending almost $60 or up $100 sometime. And how much $100 for the month to buy puss food? Maybe almost $100 to $200 to buy puss food. Can I give Coco good things? God, it puss food add up. Coco take over the whole house by himself. Coco mash up all kind of pretty vase and all kind of something for me. Me allow Coco to do anything what she want to do. Go up on my dresser and kick off or something and mash up all kind of things for me in my driver. And Coco take over the whole house, having own a room, everything. And you are going to tell me, say me heartless. So let me tell you something. Me must carry Coco with me for places where me must carry Coco with me. And me never get no place yet. So me must carry Coco with me. Go pay $25 a day extra. Put. So you expect that me must carry Coco with me. Go put Coco in a people's house. I go carry Coco come a establishment with me in a one room. And then me must have push it and litter box in a one room and push it, so I think. When Coco litter box was at the house, it was I put it in the boiler room all the way over in a one corner. So you are going to tell me now, say me must in a one little area, open area, and me must carry puss litter box, come put in a my place with me, open up. And me must go scoop out something. And me must wait until push it in a something where push it just to think. Are you... Listen. Wanna come out for me? Wanna come out for me? If you don't want Coco, go find her. Go on to the shelter, go find her. But that you know what? Well, it never happen. I'm not going to carry no animal in a no open space like that. You know about pet. You know about puss. You have to provide litter box. When puss do something, them scratch. Them scratch. Everything is all over the place. And the woman going to say me wicked. It's like basically she want to say me wicked. Me just give a Coco like that. So if you did want Coco, why you never did take Coco when me come on Facebook and I ask anybody who wants to take her? If you were such so passionate about her, wherever it is, why me could never pay if me mail her to you? Because I could have put her up on the plane and mail her to you, you know. If you were so passionate about her. I could have look how much time I come on social media and ask anybody. The next door neighbor was supposed to take her. She tell me said she have her when her husband dead. She tell me said she have her niece staying there with her and her niece little son, and her little son is allergic to puss. So if you come up here, come talk about oh me heartless. She wrote that oh me heartless. Me just get rid of the puss like that. We don't know if she dead or alive. Well, let me tell you something. If Coco was your physical therapist or your psychiatrist, go find a real human being. I know that she was, me know the characteristic and what I have developed between Coco and I were very funny. And I know that you guys take these things for physical therapists or even to stimulate in the mind and the brain. But there's different thing you can do. Go read a book and listen to Pocket Radio. Pocket Radio have a lot of nice stories. I have a lot of videos on social media with Coco. Go rewatch them. That's all. It look like we don't want people to take up every burden on them head. Sometimes simple things as those things are heavy burden. Enda who know. So me must make one puss enda me from living my life. Me must worry about puss. When puss want go to the door, go take man. And when puss want run up and down the tree and catch squirrel. I'm not a joker. Huh? When I saw the text message, they said, don't watch them more, you're so heartless. You just get rid of Coco like that. We don't know if Coco is dead. Are you freaking kidding me? Eh? Look how much time I come up here and ask anybody want her. Look how much time I come and I said, anybody want Coco? I will help to take care of her. Me ask my cousin says she don't have no time to post. Eh? Hey, look, you can't stay there. Coco service time for me have Coco for a reason. I had Coco for a reason. Me never love puss. But when I get the puss and they came to my house, it solved the problems and it was a joy to have her and I treat them good. The amount of toys. The amount of toys and the amount of sit me all buy laugh for them. $130 at Petco for them go up and go lie down and slide. Boxes every time I go Burlington and pet store. Coco have one boxes. One at a time people were asking me if me I keep pet daycare. For the amount of toys that I have for those posts. I want to see them too. Don't you know see the amount of toys that I buy for them? Whole heap of toys. And you could try bring up memory. Like you think say I don't miss Coco. I don't want to talk about Coco because Coco is my company. Coco is the one that keep my company all the time in the house. Maybe if me never have the pussy, them would have come out long time. And them protect me from the evil spirit them in there. Big up England. Maybe because if me never have Coco in the house there, they move out long time. And them protect me. Because when Coco them was when the puss them were in the house, me know when Eva come in. And when Coco in the house, me know when Eva come in there because Coco have a different Coco run under the bed, jump off of the bed and run go hide. So once me see Coco jump off of the bed and run go hide, me know what to do. So Coco was my spiritual advisor in that house. You understand? And anytime I get a place again, I will be getting back a puss. I will be getting back a puss. I may name her Coco. Same way. So anytime I get back a place, I will be getting back a puss.